Okay, my name is Boshan. Today my session is on how to draw a simple or complex canvas using Google Web Designer tool and how to animate it. I mean how to give it motion for websites and web applications. Yeah. So start with the content. Today we'll cover what is Web Designer tool. I mean that Google Web Designer tool. Um, can you check if the Hangout is working or not? Just check if the voice is coming. It's coming. Okay, let's start with the content. What is Web Designer tool? Actually, Google Web Designer tool. What does it do? And how to draw a canvas using the tool? How to animate the canvas? Basic of keyframe animation. Okay, this is the content we'll cover. So, what is Web Designer tool? Basically, Web Designer tool is a free software from Google developed by.
You should have shared all this.
Yeah, sure.
Entire screen.
Yeah, it's showing me. Stop sharing. Stop sharing.
First option. Entire screen.
Entire screen. Which one? Okay. Now it's coming. Coming. Okay. Let's start. So, what is Web Designer tool? Web Designer tool basically a free software from Google. Google has developed it for web designers and developers also. So, who are working for front-end development. Actually, it is a open source free tool. You can download it from google.com/webdesigner. Okay. Here is the URL. You can download it for Mac and Windows, Linux. After that, you'll find that tool useful. So, what is the web designer tool does? Actually does. It creates motion graphics and motion elements, web elements, like animated advertisement, animated canvases. I think you know about canvases. It's a web component of HTML5 through which we can make animated web elements, web components, type of thing. So through this tool, you'll make animated canvases, advertisements, HTML pages, whatever you want to do. It's tool having two views. One is coding view, and one is designer view. It's seems like a Photoshop kind of thing. Okay, this is the all about Google Web Designer tool. Then let's start how to draw a canvas. So let's see the key features of that tool. Okay. Let me open the tool and I'll show you.
Demo.
So, this is the Google Web Designer tool. It seems like exactly as a Photoshop or any graphic designing tool. Okay, so it's having some toolbars, some menu bars, like other graphic software having. Okay, so let's create a file, new file. It will show you what type of file you want to do, like banner, expandable advertisement, whatever file you want to do, like HTML or HTML with pages, CSS, JavaScript, and XML files. Let's create a HTML file. I'm giving the name is canvas. So location for the file, let's see, desktop. Okay. See, this is your file interface. So you want to draw a canvas. Let let you want a rectangle type of canvas. So here is the tool. Different kind of tool you will find. The rectangle tool. See, your rectangle is ready. Okay, and it will generate you the code like canvas code with the CSS. This is your canvas rectangle code, and this is your CSS elements. So you can use it in any of your web templates. Okay. So how to edit that HTML? So go to design view. You can fill it with any color. So black color. You can choose any other color also. Okay. So also the code automatically updated. The CSS code. Okay. Also, you can draw any other kind of canvases like triangle, circles, anything. You can write easily, very easily. No need to write any JavaScript code, any HTML5 code for you. And you can use it to any of the HTML pages. And you can copy this HTML, copy the canvas code and the CSS file. Okay. This is the basic feature of this web designer tool. So simple way to writing a canvas element. Okay, and so you can do also many kind of complex canvas element like through this pen tool also. If you want a polygon type of thing, this type of canvas you can write and you can fill with the colors. Okay, it will also give you that exact code, exact canvas code. Okay, this is the canvas code. You can copy. So, did you understand how to write a canvas? These are the different toolbar, and this is the transformation tool. You can rotate the canvas like 3D view. Okay. This is the X and Y axis movement you can do. Okay, the canvas. This is the fill tool. This is the text tool. You can write any text. You can write any text area. It will also give you the HTML codes, HTML and CSS codes. Okay. Then let's see how to make it animated. I mean, how we will give it movement. So, do you know what is the keyframe animation? Anybody? What is the animation? Yeah? No, 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 not effects. Animation. I'm telling about animation. Animation having different effects and the motion effect or visual effect. But what is animation? Animated object. The object which is moving. It's called an animated object. So what is keyframe animation? Keyframe animation is a computerized term. Like we'll define two position of a object, and the computer will automatically generate the rest of the part of the animation. Like we'll create a circle object and we'll place it another position. In between the position, the computer will generate the movement. This is called a keyframe animation. So let's see how it is done. See, this is the keyframe animation tool. So of this toolbar, this section, and these are the frames. You can add a number of frames. See, adding frames, it is copying that element to different sections. Okay, different frames. Okay, so this is the first frame, and in next frame, I am just moving the object to another place. Okay, then let me play it. It's simple animates. So I've not done anything. I've just replaced the element to a different position. And in the third frame, the object will be here. Okay. So then play. So
Animating the same position.
same position means
It will rotate in the circle.
it will rotate in the circle. Rotate means rotation.
Suppose there is circle.
Okay.
You want the circle to rotate.
Rotate. Endpoint. Yeah. So you can rotate it like in x-axis, y-axis. Okay. So this is the last frame. This is the last destination, and make it play. So like this. Okay. You can make any kind of animation over here. You can add one more object over here in fast frame. You'll add another object, circular object. Okay. So that's colorful. It will add it in second frame. Make the circle over here. Third frame. So see, the animation will look like this. This is the simple animation, keyframe animation of this tool. And it will generate you the code, that CSS code and that JavaScript code. You can use this JavaScript code and Canvas code in any web page, it will work. So, any question on that keyframe animation? Yeah.
The circle will remain in the same position.
Oh, circle will move in the same position. Okay. So, let me create another. Okay. This is your circle. Okay. So here is the x-axis and y-axis tool. Okay. Sorry. maybe I have to research on this. So I have to research on this. It will work. So you can do any kind of animation. I have seen that example. This type of animation, like some people have done some clock type of thing, clock, and so some people are doing like bars flying in the sky. This type of animation they're doing. So we need more hands-on in this. Still, it is a good tool, and it's about 5 to 10 MB to download. And it's a free. So a beta version, you can use it anywhere. Any operating system, it will work. So, any other questions? So, drawing and canvas. Any other questions or animation? Hmm? Yeah, there's this element. Yeah. Okay. If this type of thing, you have to draw like this, and you cannot delete a part of the object. So if you want to do a custom object, you have to use that freehand tool. This type of drawing you have to do. Okay, and you can resize it also, or you can intersect, and so you cannot subtract. Yeah, yeah, you can save it as a GIF image animation. Then you can save it as a GIF image. It will work. But the file will be very heavy. So make a web component is a better idea. Because JavaScript and CSS will be very less good, so you can use anywhere. Any other question? This tool is exactly as a Photoshop kind of thing. Whatever functionality in Photoshop, it is over here. You can use like Photoshop. You can import a image also. You can make it animated. It will give you the code. And there's a lot of other functionality like JavaScript events and other. I don't know how to use it. And you can take a look on that. So on button click events. Yeah. I think if you are you have used any Flash kind of software, then it will be easier for you to. I think Robin has used Flash. You have not used Flash. Flex. Okay, HTML5. HTML5, you have to write manual code. It will also generate the SVG images. So for SVG, there is a lot of other tools. So you can generate SVG elements. For Canvas, there is no tool. This is the fast tool which will generate the Canvas element for it. Supported means software driven by Google. So google.com/web designer. It's a free software. So you can use any polyfills like Modernizer and other boilerplate to work in I browser. Yeah. Modernizer, what it does, it creates shadow element for the canvas elements, which will work in I, lower I, like I7 or I8. No, no, you have to use it separately. If you use polymer, then polymer having that magnet. Polymer is a CSS and JavaScript framework like Bootstrap, but it is powerful than Bootstrap because it's having a lot of polyfills there, and you can write any kind of custom HTML5 code works, and it is based on material design. Any other questions, Maruti? Hmm? Yeah. Yeah, you can ask me. You can ping me. Yeah, we can insert in. You can import image, text, whatever. Um,
So it will generate the canvas of the image also.
no, 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 no. It will not generate the file. It will give you the source file of that image. Image is a graphic element. You cannot make it as a SVG having canvas code. You can make the SVG as a canvas, but not a image. You can publish it, publish Google Drive. Lot of option is there. You can explore and you can check. It's done.